As the coronavirus becomes a concern for schools across the nation, families are trying to navigate the new rules.
At school, there's going to be lots of changes. Teachers are going to be super involved in it, and they're going to be talking to their children about it.
Parents should take the opportunity to talk to their kids about the new policies and emphasize the importance of following the rules to keep friends and family safe.
Do not send your child to school if they're sick. Everyone at this point will understand that. Get involved with your school, find out what they're doing, partner with them. Maybe have a group of other parents that want to talk about it and see what they can do to make things better. And make it a common conversation and not a panic conversation. What are we going to do about it? Not, we're fearful and we don't know what to do about it. We do know what to do about it. We need to be as clean and healthy as we can be.